Hey, we're sailing Deez Knots. I'm Carol.
I'm Bruce, and this is Ariga.
Our parents definitely approve of what we're doing, and we motor more than we sail.
Find us sailing, diving, fishing, and checking out new places.
Sorry, come camera shy.
I'm very camera shy. Hi, my name's Al, and I'm an alcoholic, and I came to visit Bruce and Carol to get away from alcohol, particularly a man named Cody. I know Bruce and Carol through Josh, who's their besties. I'm his other half, and I wish he was here. All right, goodbye.
There you have it. Al's on the boat. We're going on a hike today. And how far, Al, how far of a drive is it?
45 minutes.
Oh,
Maybe
sweet.
an hour. We don't know. We'll see what happens when we hit the mountain roads.
Maybe get a lunch after?
Get a little lunch, get a little cafecito, say hi to some locals, eat some good food.
Pinchos.
Lots of fun stuff is gonna happen today. Maybe make a new friend. We don't know. Oh, and adopt a dog. I'm here to look for a dog.
The trash blaster.
Oh, picking trash.
Just in case you didn't know, a huge part of cruising is every opportunity you have to throw away trash, you take it. Woo!
She's a good old thing. She's a, I don't know what kind of car, but she did good. Got me through the mountains. Now she's gonna take us to a waterfall.
Well.
Double chide.
Double tied up.
Double chide piston. Points of appreciation.
Looks cool. There's 3 of them.
God, these little, I gave 6 people one.
I got that. Remember, the camera eats first.
Bruce.
Kind of a big spider web.
Oh, not good?
Maybe I have a shy bladder.
I was like, I can really appreciate this. I see, beautiful lush greenery, some old school rock. It's cool. I appreciate it.
What do you appreciate, Seema?
I appreciate cool views, but so far, I'm waiting.
Savage. See the falls. That is cool. Oh my gosh. I can appreciate that. That's beautiful. Wow. I give that a 10 out of 10. It's like falling off the mountain.
Oh, you're just flexing your lower back on me, huh?
See a waterfall.
Cool.
The Puerto Rican Indians used to go there to perform ceremonies, and well, not ceremonies, but they're like survival of the fittest kind of competitions, and they would fight to the death, and then the final person would be thrown over the cliff. So there's a lot of dead bodies down there, so we can't show you that. It's illegal.
It took millions of years to form this canyon from the river running through it.
Okay, what do you want to go do?
Eat a whole pig.
Like everything?
Yeah, like the whole pig.
And the teeth?
And the teeth and the hooves
And the eyes?
Eyes. I'm very hungry.
Sima would go eat some pork.
Yeah, let's go eat some poke. Sourdough? Question mark? Okay. We wanted to find mangoes for a mango salsa recipe for our snapper, and we found them.
And lollipops, which are essential
To survival, yeah.
to life itself. But I can't.
Let me fire it up.
Yeah, you fire it up. I'll take care of the rest. Oh no! There's no way I'll be able to grab it. Nice, baby.
Saved the seed.
Actually, I realized. Oh, sorry.
What?
There's that guy, and I think he's about to.
Oh my god, this is kind of a workout for your legs. Oh yeah. Use that leg. She's in.
And it's not really okay for us to be here.
What?
Really? Yeah.
What happened?
I feel bad. I like kind of threw Mike under the bus, but he was like, hi, who are you? And I was like, oh, like, Mike showed us the place, like, we're happy to pay whatever, like, he's like, okay, like, how much longer are you gonna be here? And I was like, but the car is till tomorrow, and like, the boat a few more days, but we don't have to be here.
Yeah.
Like, I thought it was like for cruisers to use, and we're happy to pay. And he was like, no, this is like for my family. I was like, I'm gonna have to talk to Mike. I was like, oh, I didn't mean to throw Mike under the bus.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
You guys watching TikToks?
Watching the pirate video.
Oh shit.
I'm getting some sunset drinks, which I'm pretty excited about. We're gonna get Bruce a nice red, and Carol not a red. She wants a white. We're gonna have a good cruise.
Where are we cruising?
To the sunset.
To the sun
To the sun. And beyond.
really mixing up these drinks. He's already drinking.
Whoopsie.
Is this one? This one's so
I
good.
fell.
No?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That one we just opened yesterday.
Perfect.
What are you having, Al? Red or white? Moment of
I
truth.
don't know. They both look good.
We'll do taste test. Or did you
Oh,
try
yeah.
the red yet?
No, I didn't. Let me try the red. Bruce, I'm trying your red. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm gonna do a red.
Nice.
I'm gonna switch it up. I'll do a red for the sun.
Nice. Bruce wanted to combine them and do a rosé.
A what?
A rosé. All day. A summer water.
Bring my keep.
What was your highlight of the day?
Oh my gosh, that was pretty cool. That was very, very cool. And then eating some yummy food was another highlight. And then almost killing Carol and Bruce in the mountain roads was the top highlight.
For me, that was my low light. Yeah. The waterfall.
The waterfall
was
was so cool.
That was really cool. Good night. Okay, we're gonna go dive this morning and then make you something special to eat later.
With Chef Al.
With Chef Al.
About a snapper.
Little cleanup workshop
For what?
to make our little cooking space clean. Doy. Adoy.
It's a behemoth of a snapper. Golly.
Oh my god.
Cutting the mango.
Well,
And,
yeah.
I just learned how to cut a mango. I googled it, so wish me luck. It's gonna be
Well,
great.
yeah, and the entire salsa.
Oh, and I'm also doing the entire salsa, so get ready.
We're gonna cook lunch. Is it going?
Yeah.
We're gonna cook lunch with the fresh lobster. Chef Al is. Sorry.
Are we doing the lobster?
We don't have lobster.
Okay, I'll go again. We're gonna cook lunch with the fresh snapper. And then do you want me to say anything else?
And
And
and fresh mango salsa with the avocado and coconut rice. Don't forget the coconut rice, Carol. It's gonna be banging. Banging.
Yum. I should probably look. Feels sharp.
Cat.
Well.
Al made delicious mango salsa. I made some coconut rice, and then we have snapper in the pan. If you want to see more about how we did it, go look at our Instagram at Sailing Deez Knots. Grab that last one off the.
Do we need any folks?
Oh yeah, we do. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's ready.
The salsa. Smell like guacamole.
Yum. I can't wait to eat it.
I'm sadly leaving Deez Knots to go inland to San Juan. But I'm sad they almost didn't let me get on the dinghy. But I must go, because if not, I'll be in trouble. And I had a great time. Love you guys.